Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Appleways. In today's video, we are going to see how you can turn on vibration for messages on your iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is open your settings. And after opening your settings, now you have to scroll down until you see the option of sounds and haptics. Tap on it. And after tapping on it here, there is the option of text tone. Tap on it. And in here you can see there is the option of haptics. Tap on it, and currently you can see there is none. You can simply just choose any kind of vibration that you want. For example, you can see synchronized is default, so I'm simply just going to tap on synchronized just like this. And now the vibration for my messages on my iPhone will be synchronized. You can also choose any kind of other options that is given here, like accent or alert, heartbeat, quick, or whatever you want. I'm simply just going to put it on synchronized for now, and you are all set. You can simply just tap on the option text tone that you can see in the top left corner right here, and you can simply tap on back and again settings, and you are all set. Now you can go back, and now there will be the vibration for messages app on your iPhone. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.